CrossFilter is a calculate modifier that lets you change the cross-filter direction of a relationship. You can use it inside calculate in order to make a relationship bidirectional, unidirectional, or disable the relationship. In order to understand its usage, let's start by looking at a data model. Here we have our usual Contoso model. We have customers, sales, and product. Product has a one-to-many relationship with sales, and the same for customer, one-to-many with sales. Because the filter context automatically propagates from the one side to the many side, a filter coming from product filters sales, but then from sales it does not reach customer. That is the reason why if you slice by product and you count the number of customers, you will see all the customers, which is exactly what is happening here. I'm filtering by brand, and the measures count rows of customers returns all the customers. I can use CrossFilter in order to change the relationship between sales and customer as a bidirectional one. If the relationship between sales and customers becomes bidirectional, the filter from product reaches sales, and then from sales it goes to customers. This is the reason why the measure customer buying that uses CrossFilter inside Calculate to compute the number of customers with a bidirectional relationship computes the number of customers that are buying something, the number of customers referenced in sales. It is important to note that making a relationship bidirectional is not enough if the entire chain is not working. We can further look at that here. If the relationship between sales and customer is set as bidirectional, but we disable the relationship between product and sales, then again, a filter on product will not reach customers. And that is the reason why in the second measure, products does not filter. We use CrossFilter to enable bidirectional relationship between sales and customer, but we use again CrossFilter to disable the relationship between product and sales. Therefore, again, we see all the customers because a filter coming from product does not reach customer.